In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do self-resisted isometric eversion of the foot or ankle. So what I want to do is just cover what a lot of that means before we go into the exercise and how to do it. So eversion of the ankle means simply to bring the ankle or foot away from the midline of the body. So if my midline is here, middle of my body, I'm bringing my foot and ankle away. Now, what I want to do is I want to do this isometrically. So to do it isometrically, I want to create the contraction, but not move the foot. So how do we do this? So I'm going to use my opposing foot as a barrier here. So I bring my opposing foot round to the side of the leg and the foot that I want to do my eversion with. Now, the purpose here of my right foot and right leg is to stop the eversion from happening. So I'm going to try with my left foot and ankle to come into eversion. My right leg is going to stop that from happening by pushing back in. And then from here, you can either decide to do a set amount of seconds where you're holding that eversion isometrically, or alternatively, you might decide to do repetitions where you do, a big squeeze and then relax, big squeeze where you're coming into eversion and you relax. Whatever one you decide to do, you want to repeat that exactly the same on your opposing ankle and leg as well. So if you've got an injury on your left-hand side and you're doing your isometric eversion and you're thinking, well, I don't need to do that on my right side because my injury's on my left, you still want to know what the power's like in terms of eversion on your good side, because that's ultimately what you're going to be trying to rehab up to. So it's nice to know what the power is on the good side to try and then get the bad side or injured side up to appropriate levels. If you haven't got an injury, it's great to do it on both sides anyway to keep everything even and also to know what your strength's like on both sides. That's how to do isometric self-resisted eversion of the foot.